Once you've saved your customizations for a report, you can have QuickBooks automatically email that report to you on a set basis. First, go to the Report Center and then click Custom Reports. We've created a report called the Profit and Loss for last quarter, and we want this to be sent out to us every 3 months. To do that, click Edit. The report name, report group, and who the report is shared with are already filled out. But by clicking this toggle, we can tell QuickBooks to automatically email this report to us whenever we want. Scrolling down, from here you choose how often you want the report to be emailed: daily, weekly, monthly, or twice a month. And you can also tell QuickBooks to skip periods. For us, we want to receive this every 3 months. From here you can choose a day of the week, but we'd like to have this report sent to us on the first day of every month. You can also tell QuickBooks to stop sending you this report by an end date or after a number of occurrences. We want this report forever, so we'll choose None here. Further down on the page, you then enter the email address or multiple email addresses that you want this report sent to. You can separate multiple email addresses with commas, or you can click on CC to enter carbon copies. Then you can set the subject line for the emails that deliver the report, as well as the body of the email. Down at the very bottom, you can also choose for QuickBooks to attach this report as an Excel file to the emails. Once you're done, click Save and Close. Now QuickBooks shows that this report will be emailed out every 3 months. Now instead of running the report ourselves every quarter, we just have QuickBooks email it to us.